Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. Tonight I'm going to be showing you how to get free products to review on your YouTube channel, and let's get into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
For this tutorial, it's going to be very simple. It's going to be very straightforward. I'm going to walk you through it. Usually Amazon's a great place for this. Amazon has great products, and if you ever want to review them for your YouTube channel like I have, you can follow these steps. So, step one, make your way over to Amazon and find your niche or what you're good at to review, something you're familiar with and something you can say a lot about. Don't pick something that you have no idea about, like Hawaiian towels or something like that if you live in Texas. So, me personally, I like headphones, so just search headphones. Search of headphones on Amazon is going to bring it there, like absolutely a billion headphone companies out there. I don't know. Find whatever one you want. I recommend not picking big name brands like Bose or Beats because they're not going to want to send small channels free products, honestly, because they're such a big corporation. You want to find like small companies, just like these, Betron, ones you've never heard of. Don't pick Apple. Everyone has Apple EarPods. You shouldn't be reviewing those. So take their company name, go to a different tab, paste it, and search it up. And what I've found is some of these headphones don't have their own website. Usually some of them just sell directly through Amazon itself. Yeah, it's always different. But so you make your way over to whatever headphone company you want or whatever company you want to get free products from. Go to contact us. Usually look for an email. Blah blah. Yeah, I guess you can just go with Amazon. It's gonna make me sign in. Okay, let's trash this. Let's go to a different website, one that I'm familiar with. Let's just trash that. Soundpiece. They are a great company. I know that because I've worked with them. So, I prefer Soundbeats because I've actually worked with them. So, and then you just can go to community influencers, and you can become an influencer. Now, not all websites or companies have this, but if they do, this is a huge plus. You simply sign up for their influencer program, and they basically send you products. You don't even have to contact through them through their email. This goes to a set like marketer who reviews your application and then determines if they want to work with you or not. For this, I'd probably wait till you have over 100 subscribers. They probably don't want to work with people with 5 subscribers. So that's why I recommend doing reviews of products you already have in your house and then working up from there. And so basically you can just sign up for their influencer program, get a reply back, and you'll get free stuff. You'll put in their shipping information. They'll just send it right to your doorstep. And what you guys want to do for this, make sure you always have a pre-written email so it doesn't take up as much time, and so you can just send this over and over again to different companies. Be a little generic, but have like a couple specifics in there about what your channel's about and why you want to work with this company. I have mine here. I can show you guys. Let's go to Google Drive. So yeah, I made my own. So if you want to take a look at mine, you can basically say like what your channel's about, what you do, why you want to work with them, and all that good stuff. Make it professional. Don't send them 5-sentence email, make it longer. Really sound interested in their products. That's always a help. Currently, I've gotten 2 free products already on my channel that I've reviewed. The speakers, the water speakers, also the SportsBot gaming set. I've reached out to a bunch of companies. Some work, some don't. Most of the time you're going to get rejected or they're not going to reply to you. Some will let you know nicely, no thank you, you're not big enough. That's happened to me. But you got to keep trying. You got to ask as many companies as you want, because you're bound to get at least one yes out of all those. So ask as many as you can, and that'll be good. So guys, with that, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe if you're new, turn on notifications. Go follow me on Twitter. Leave a like on this video. Comment down below what you thought. And go check out my previous video I've posted. I'll leave a link in the top right card. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Torno for the watch, Prezi plain Jane, Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes Linka feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures causing my hysteria.